Hey there, amazing teens. Welcome back to Academy Bites, the place where we empower you to take charge of your financial journey. I'm Mohammed Sami, and I'm super excited to dive into today's topic because we'll be talking about something every teenager wants to know: how to make money online. Well, I've got great news for you. In today's video, we're going to unravel some incredible and actionable tips on how you can start making money online as a teenager. So, whether you're saving up for something special or just want a bit of financial freedom, stick around because we've got you covered. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the awesome content we share here. Now, let's get started on this exciting journey to unlocking your online earning potential. Toloka Earning App Overview. What is Toloka? Toloka is a micro-tasking platform developed by Yandex, a Russian multinational IT company. The platform connects workers, often referred to as contributors, with various tasks that require human intelligence, which cannot be easily automated by algorithms. How does Toloka work? Task distribution. Requesters post tasks on the Toloka platform that require human input. These tasks can range from image recognition to data validation. Task completion. Contributors, or workers, then pick up these tasks and complete them. The tasks are usually simple and can be done in a short amount of time. Quality control. Toloka employs quality control mechanisms to ensure accurate and reliable results. This might include comparing responses from multiple contributors to verify accuracy. Payment. Contributors are compensated for their completed tasks. The amount paid can vary based on the complexity of the task and the time required. Earning potential. The earning potential on Toloka depends on factors such as the number of available tasks, the complexity of the tasks, and the speed at which a contributor can complete them. It's important to note that earnings from micro-tasking platforms like Toloka may not replace a full-time income but can serve as a way to earn some extra money.